Hello friends, this is Alexey. I'm glad to welcome you to the last month of 2021. We still have some time to reach our goals and enter holiday season in great mood. And I'm thankful to all of you that you like my weekly market updates. For now, let's see what is new in power semiconductors industry. Designing state-of-the-art heat pumps and HVAC systems is not easy. Finding a way to overcome demands, such as giving more power in a smaller footprint, requires a lot from a power module. Linkatech's new 1200-volt PIM plus PFC module is the answer. Its integrated three-phase in PFC and inverter stage resolve contradiction to boost efficiency and cut systems costs. More compact designs at higher power ranges are not a problem anymore. You can benefit from all-in-one solution. Three-phase PFC with inverter stage in a compact low-1 design. Highly efficient NPFC topology with silicon carbide diodes for switching frequencies up to 150 kHz. High-speed IGBTs in the inverter stage for high switching frequency operation. And much more. Alpha and Omega Semiconductor, a designer, developer, and global supplier of a broad range of power semiconductors and power ICs and digital power products, announced the release of 600-volt low ohmic and fast-body diode Alpha MOS5 Super Junction MOSFETs family. Alpha MOS5 is Alpha and Omega Semiconductor latest generation of high-voltage MOSFET, designed to meet the high efficiency and high density needs for quick charger, adapter, PC power, server, industrial power, telecom, and hyperscale data center applications. Vitesco Technologies, a leading international provider of modern powertrain technologies and solutions for electric mobility, has entered into a strategic partnership with Canada-based GaN Systems. GaN Systems is a respected, leading developer of gallium nitride power transistors and delivers its products, amongst others, to the automotive industry. GaN transistors have great potential for automotive applications because they are more efficient, smaller, and in system context more economical than silicon transistors. Particularly beneficial automotive applications are the charging and electric energy conversion in electrified vehicles. Currently, GaN-based transistors are still new for automotive use, but with a joint development to be carried out by GaN Systems and Vitesco Technologies, highly attractive automotive applications will become available. Power electronics based on gallium nitride technology will help to increase vehicle range and to further improve the total energy efficiency of an electric vehicle. Soitec, the world leader in designing and manufacturing innovative semiconductor materials, acquires NOVASiC, an advanced technology company specialized in polishing and reclaiming wafers on silicon carbide. The acquisition allows Soitec to drive the development of semiconductors for power supply systems in electromobility and industrial applications. The closing of the transaction is expected before the end of calendar year 2021. In a strategic move to address the need of the automotive and industrial markets for performance and energy efficiency, Soitec is expanded its product portfolio beyond silicon on insulator with silicon carbide. Besides, Soitec and Mersen, a global expert in electrical specialties and advanced materials, announced that they have entered into a strategic technical partnership to develop a new family of polycrystalline silicon carbide substrates for the electric vehicle market. Thanks to their respective experience in substrates and materials, the joint development by Soitec and Mersen of very low electrical resistivity PolySiC substrates will optimize silicon carbide power electronics components devised based on Soitec's SmartSiC technology. The Institute of Microelectronics at the Agency for Science, Technology and Research and STMicroelectronics, a global semiconductor leader serving customers across the spectrum of electronics applications, announced the start of an R&D collaboration in the field of silicon carbide for power electronics applications in the automotive and industrial markets. The collaboration sets a foundation for a comprehensive silicon carbide ecosystem in Singapore and creates opportunities for other companies to engage with IME and ST in silicon carbide research. BorgWarner recently broke ground on a highly anticipated second phase of its facility in the Suzhou Industrial Park and celebrated the milestone with a groundbreaking ceremony. The expansion will total 22,500 square meters and feature a 4-story R&D center that will accommodate approximately 450 people, as well as a 2-story production workshop. All new buildings will meet the LEED Gold standards for energy savings, emissions reduction, and environmental protection, satisfying carbon peaking and neutrality goals. the Suzhou production site will reach an annual production capacity of 1.8 million inverters in conjunction with the development of local Viper module, silicon IGBT and silicon carbide MOSFET fabrication, making Suzhou BorgWarner's second largest global Viper production site. WeEn Semiconductors addresses market demand for silicon carbide components with silicon carbide Schottky diodes. The company has a 50-year history in power device development and manufacturing, starting as an effort by Philips, then NXP, before being spun off as WeEn Semiconductors in 2015, armed with a merged pin Schottky technology for manufacturing silicon carbide Schottky diodes. Based in China, the company now has a global footprint comprising 2 R&D centers, 2 application laboratories, 1 reliability and failure analysis laboratory, 10 WeEn corporate entities, 12 sales offices, and 6 representative offices, together employing 350 staff worldwide. And now, WeEn Semiconductors is introducing its first silicon carbide MOSFETs during their webinar, which are complementing the silicon carbide dies that are already in the WeEn portfolio. The silicon carbide MOSFETs can be used in very fast-switching PFC circuits and LLC converters in UPS, SMPS, and EV chargers. Silicon carbide enables high switching frequencies, resulting in smaller and lower-cost passives and high efficiency of the power conversion. Join this WeEn Semiconductor webinar on December 9 to learn more about WeEn silicon carbide MOSFETs. And that's it for today. Thanks everyone for watching. As usual, more market news coming next week. Meanwhile, go to Marketing Cycle website for more information or join me in social media. Keep in touch.